Hey guys, welcome back. Charles Scicli here, Desert Elite Properties, bringing another brand new listing in North Indio at the Desert Collection, 42420 Cascata Street. Come on in. The interior of the property is just over 2,000 square feet. You have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, including a guest casita with a separate entrance, big tile floors, granite tile countertops in the kitchen, open floor plan, pool spa, plus fireplace. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing at 42420 Cascata Street in North Indio. I'm Charles Scicli with Desert Elite Properties. For more information, contact me direct.